Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville test center and we are going to go to G2 test route. They have got 4 different test routes in Orangeville. We'll go all the test routes one by one, but just remember one thing, they just keep on mixing all these 4 routes. So make sure you watch all these 4 routes in my video. And if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go to Orangeville G2 test route number 2. So we park here and look around. Anyone coming from any side? No one. Take a right here. Look around. Take a right here. We're keeping the rightmost side here. And the cars are coming from the opposite side. Sometimes people are taking the truck test here. Be careful about that. And we'll take a left from the first stop sign. Take a left here. Stop here completely. Go further ahead, check. Yeah. Is anyone coming? No one coming. We'll take a left here. Next stop sign, we will take a left again. We'll take a left from this stop sign. That's again all way, and speed limit is 40 here. Completely stop here. Yeah, no one coming. We can take a left here. Speed limit is 40 here in the community zone. Maintain 40 only. Just look around, everything all clear. Look in all the driveways. Don't exceed speed limit. In route number 1, we went straight from that stop sign. Route number 2, I'm going to take you left from this stop sign. Route number 3, I will take you right from this stop sign. We'll take a left from this stop sign. Complete stop. No one coming. We can take a left here. Maintain on the right side. See, few cars are standing here. Sometimes they ask 3-turn parallel parking in these cars. And they ask usually parallel parking, 3-turn uphill and downhill in this area only. Yeah, don't go too close to the standing cars. Yeah, stop here completely. Look around. In these streets they ask 3-turn uphill and downhill like that. It's written they share the road with the cycle. So it's a sharing sign on the road with the cycle. If the cycle is coming, give them the space. If the diamond is made, that means that's a reserve. If the sharing sign is there, you have to share the road. We'll take a right from the first traffic light. It's a 40 area end, and it's a red light now. We have to stop here first. Complete stop. That's a Broadway. Completely stop your car. Let's go further ahead. Check. Yeah, cars are coming. Yeah, we have to wait for them. Red light, no matter what. We have to stop first and now see any car coming or not. Yeah, cars are coming. Yeah. Yeah, car is gone. Now we can turn right. Yeah, good. Turn right here. Now we're going to go straight. And see that lane is turning to the right side. For example, I want us to go straight. So we have to change lane to left automatically. We will signal blind spot and then change lane to left. The speed limit is 50 here. So maintain 50. Traffic light, we will take a right. Mirror signal blind spot. Take to the right. It's just called 2nd Street. We'll take a right here. Light is green. One pedestrian is coming. Be careful. If he's coming in our way, no, he's not coming. Be careful. Just treat pedestrian like a king. If they're coming in your way, just stop for them. So it's again 40 start here. Keep in the right side and then take a right here. First Avenue, we will take a right again here. Keep on the rightmost side. It's a narrow roads. Be careful. And speed limit is 40 here. We'll take a left from the next stop sign. So this is again two-way stop sign. Two-way stop sign meaning is you have stop sign, other side have stop sign. Middle they don't have stop sign. Completely stop your car here. Stop completely. The cars coming, they don't have stop sign. Check. Anyone coming from any side? No one coming. Take a left here. The stop sign completely, always stop sign. Stop here completely. Just look around. We are the first one. We'll go here. Speed limit is 40 here. Don't exceed the speed limit. Just look around. Pedestrian is going, be careful. As I told you, pedestrian is a king. If they're walking, be careful, okay? And take a right here, right from the stop sign. Pedestrian can't be wrong. Even if they are wrong, just stop for them. It's okay, no problem. Slowly here, we'll take right. It's our right of way. He's taking left, opposite car, so it's our right of way. We will take a right here and we'll go right inside. And when you're here, make sure you keep on the rightmost side. And on the opposite side, the cars are coming and sometimes they're taking truck tests here. Be careful here. Yeah. Keep on the rightmost side and keep on looking for the traffic also. Park on the right side and then park on the right side here. Yeah, and that's it. And then examiner will tell you, congratulations, you meet the Ministry standard today, you pass your test. Go and get your license from inside. Congratulations, you pass your test. I hope you like my all these videos about your G2 test route. And if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.